people watch it and they sign up for my coaching. We're booked just for the application because we had to create a process. Like I literally went from trying to get clients to now having to ward off and pick through the ones that I want. Hi, my name is Noelle Randall with Noelle Randall Coaching. I teach real estate investing and business credit and how to use business credit and business funding to launch a real estate investing business and become financially secure doing so. So when I first kind of began coaching, I actually was doing a lot of live events, which obviously required a lot of time, effort, energy, money. And then I learned about doing webinars and doing the meetings virtually and then collecting clients. And so when I first learned about webinar, I tried all these different softwares and none of them really worked very well. It was like really stressful, but it was at least better than meeting everyone in person in the back of restaurants. It was more expensive than what I was paying before. They had a lot of bells and whistles and things like that. And so I thought that webinar was going to be expensive, but it actually came highly recommended. So someone just kept telling me, you want to use StealthSeminar? Yeah, they're a little bit more than some of these other ones, but it's well worth it. Your conversion rate from people actually showing up to the seminar and the webinar is going to be so much different. Oh, I mean, it didn't take long, honestly, because I had my analytics from the other webinar. I was actually, like I said, I was on another platform. And so I knew how many people were registering versus how many people were showing up to the webinar. And once, and with StealthSeminar, it was way higher immediately. It went from like 17% or 11%, something like that, to like 80%. It was crazy. Like it was like quadrupled, like honestly, what I was getting, just people showing up. And so once they show up, I pretty much had them because I knew I had a compelling webinar and I had worked on it and tweaked on it. So I knew if I could get in front of more people, it would convert and people would either enjoy the content and sign up for my coaching. So it was just amazing. Oh, I mean, it's incredible. When I started, I was definitely in the six figures, and now I'm solidly in the seven figures, and I can contribute it to pretty much two StealthSeminar. The webinar is running all the time, and so I've combined it with my social media. I've grown my YouTube channel exponentially. I have over 100,000 subscribers. And the majority of the call to action is to go watch my webinar or my free training. We're converting, probably 5 students a week and so it's just, the income is exponential from just putting it on this automated process almost, and having a funnel for it to go to has changed my business. I'll just use 2019 to 2020. 2019, with the coaching, I made about $400,000 total, okay? And I started StealthWebinar in the middle of 2019, so that's why it's hard to give you an exact number, but I can already tell you for 2020, we've already made over $1 million, and it's October. Catapulted the business. Oh, I definitely would recommend StealthSeminar. I have to people. It's just so hard for people to understand. And I'll say another thing about StealthSeminar that I like is the setup. I could give them the video and then they did a lot of it for me. So I didn't have to be technical. So yeah, it costs a little bit more, but the service is better. And like I said, the show up rate for how many people will actually view the webinar is better. And now even some of the gadgets that you guys have with the chats and some of these other things now has just even made the stay rate, how long people stay on the webinar, even better. So absolutely, I would recommend it. Anybody that's even thinking about doing a webinar, you should have it on StealthSeminar because the people will show up and watch it.